In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in Monday.com. Let's walk through this together from start to finish so you can get a clean, professional printout of your board whenever you need it. First, go ahead and open the specific board you want to print inside Monday.com. Make sure you're on the correct board because what you see on your screen is what will be exported. It's a good idea to double-check that the right groups and columns are visible and that any filters you want to apply are already set. Once your board is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a 3 dots icon, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more actions related to your board. In that drop-down, hover your mouse over the option labeled More Actions. When you hover over it, another submenu will appear. From this submenu, select Export to Excel. At this point, you may see an option that lets you decide whether to include updates from items on your board in the export. Choose what makes sense for you. If you just want the structure and data, you can leave updates out. If you need the full context and conversations, include them. Monday.com will then generate an Excel file, typically with an .xlsx extension. When your browser prompts you, save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it, like your desktop or a project folder. Next, open that .xlsx file in Microsoft Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program, such as Google Sheets or another alternative that supports Excel files. Wait for the data to fully load so you can see all your rows and columns clearly. Before printing, it's important to adjust the formatting so everything fits nicely on the page. Go to the File menu and choose Print. In the Print Preview area, you'll usually find options to scale the sheet to fit on one page, adjust margins, change the orientation between portrait and landscape, and tweak column widths. Take a moment to zoom in on the preview and make sure no important columns are cut off and that the text is readable. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, select your printer, confirm your settings one last time, and then click Print. And that's it. You've successfully printed your Monday.com board by exporting it to Excel and formatting it for a clean, easy-to-read printout.